Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about account groups in Oracle Cloud General Ledger. Our agenda, the introduction about it, what they are, how to create them in Oracle Cloud. Account groups are balance inquiries on GL accounts that you need to monitor often. The tool that you use to create account groups is the Account Monitor. It is a very easy to use reporting tool. Output of an account group can be displayed in the Financial Reporting Center in the Account Monitor itself, or you can send the information to be displayed to an infolet in the case of expenses and revenue. Let's take a look in the system how account group are and how to create them. Let me navigate to the Oracle. Once you log in, you can go to General Accounting Dashboard. The General Accounting Dashboard is a navigational component. Of course, there are dashboards that you can create using Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence or TPI, but in this case we are referring to a page with multiple sections. As you know, as you see here, the first section is Account Monitor, Company Transactions, Journals, and the Close Status. That's the easy to use reporting tool that we are talking about for Account Monitor. Once you navigate to the Account Monitor, here from the options, you can go to Account Group. You can create and edit any existing account group and manage also any existing account group. So I'm going to create a new one. Here, as you see, we have the name and descriptions. We have also the owner of this account group. I can enter as a test. Also descriptions. You can test, for example, your account. We have the display options in this list of value balance associated with this account group in the Account Monitor. We can send these informations to, for example, to infolet. That will be expenses, will be revenue. These are infolets right here. Location also are some infolet as well. Time option determine what are we capturing. Are we capturing quarterly balances, yearly balances, or monthly? If the accounting period resembles a month, then it will be your monthly balances. It all depends on what that accounting period is. In terms of comparison option, we have the ability to compare period year or compare to other things like budget, forecast, and so on. In terms of access, right now the access is set to private in this case, but you have other options like public and shared. Public, everyone will be able to see my account group, or shared, I specify which users can see it. And then at the bottom here we have the actual accounts as I mentioned. You can also set as a default for this account group and dynamically drive ledger to show you all of the ledger which you have access to it. In case of you need to put it as a default, you can select these checkbox and dynamically drive ledger to monitor the same account for a lot of ledger if the data access set for a lot of ledger is assigned to your user name. I will create a new one. Circle with my segments value. I can put specific value sets, or I can put all. Here I will put my account, the company segments, I will put all, for the services all, feature and future I can put as 0. Here the chain decreased by less than amount, decreased by less than percentage, more than the amount, play, not equal, and put the equations, but I'm going to put always display. You have here another lot of options to again add another row with another different code combinations. You can copy or duplicate and change. You can delete. You can view all of the column. You can detach to see all the information. I'm going to save. You can also save and close to check the reflection. Here there are two count group. I can select my defined later one. This is my test. Here there is no balances. You can change the period. For the August 23 there is some count. For the same period in the period here there is no balances. Here at the hyperlink you can click. You can go to down to check the source and the transaction type of this balance. Again you can click on the hyperlink. Here there are 2 or 3 journals, 40,000 debit and credit, so the net is 0. And here our amount hyperlink is from purchase invoices from the PayPal. The other 2 balances from journals, direct NGL as a source of copy and category adjustment. You can again click on this amount to check. There is one item expense, put it for the transaction number 1233, counting date, invoice already validated, and this is transactions for our account group balance. I hope now you will got what is account group and also how to set up it, how to edit it. Again, if you come back to the account monitor, here you can select, you can create, you can edit. Here you can change account of the company in one of these segments. You can also change comparison options. You can change access, public, share. You can also change time options and check the reflections. Or you can create a new one, or you can manage also and dodge to check your account group. Thank you for watching. I hope to subscribe and also put your comments if there any doubt. Thanks.